It's my pleasure to announce that we have broken ground for the new Nicomekl River Bridge crossing at King George Boulevard. This important crossing is long overdue to be replaced, and residents and visitors will soon be able to travel efficiently and safely on the new, modern, updated bridge. When finished next winter, the new Nicomekl Bridge will increase the number of vehicle lanes from 3 to 4, with 2 lanes northbound from Crescent Road and 2 lanes southbound from Highway 99 interchange. As part of the update, multi-use cycling and pedestrian paths will be built into the project. To learn more about the new Nicomekl Bridge and all the other infrastructure projects on the go in Surrey, please visit surrey.ca.